So let's factorise x squared plus 7x to start with. Well, you've got an x in both terms, so you take that out. What would you multiply x by to get x squared? Well, you've got to multiply it by x. And what would you multiply x by to get 7x? Well, you'd multiply it by 7, wouldn't you? So that gets you going. Right, on to these two linear factors types. So we're going to have double brackets for the next two. First one's a little bit easier than the second. You've got to find, well, it'll be a y at the start because you've got y squared. Now you've got a plus on the end and minus in the middle, and the only way you want to get that is if you have two minuses. So you've got to find two numbers that multiply together to give you plus 16, and they're put together or added together to give you minus 10. And that's going to come from minus 2 and minus 8. Minus 2 times minus 8 is plus 16, and minus 2 plus minus 8. I wish I wouldn't do that. Plus minus 8 equals minus 10. Now for 2t squared plus 5t plus 2, not quite as difficult as it looks. You can only have a 2t and a t at the front. You can only have a 2 and a 1 at the end, are the only factors of the 2. So you've got to arrange it so you end up with 5t in the middle. So you're going to need this 2t to multiply a 2, and that will give you a 4t. So I'll put that 2 there, and then it will leave you plus 1 there. Now it's well worth expanding this to check that it's right. So 2t times t gives me 2t squared. The 1 times the 2 is going to give me the 2 on the end. And then you're going to get 2t times 2, that gives you 4t. And then 1 times t gives you another t. So you can check that you've got it all right. Okay, that's question 14 complete.